Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe is pineapple upside down cake, a really simple baking recipe and a little bit of a classic one, I guess. This is something my nana used to make a lot when I was little, when I was growing up. I thought I would recreate my version of this. So here we go. Our ingredients are, we have some fresh pineapple which has been sliced, some cherries, some butter, plain flour, caster sugar, eggs, a little bit of milk, vanilla and some baking powder. So to begin with, we want to start with our sugar. We're going to add in the butter and then we're going to whisk those together until they're nice and light and fluffy. You can do this by hand or you can use a mixer as I am doing. Then we want to add in our eggs one at a time. And then just whisk those in again as well. The mix may cloud a little bit, but that's okay because when we add the flour, that will even it out. The next thing we want to add is the flour. So we're just going to sift this in. And then we're going to add the baking powder and combine them both together. Once all the flour and the baking powder is in the bowl, we want to just fold the mix in now. Don't whisk it anymore because if you whisk now, you will knock out all the air we incorporated from the start. Once that's nice and smooth and all folded together, we want to add in the milk and the vanilla. This just makes it nice and rich and silky. Fold that in again and the batter should be super smooth now like this. So if you just set that aside for a second, we want to prepare our baking tin. I've got a nice easy springform one which is non-stick, but I'm going to add in some baking paper because we have the fruit at the bottom and that will make sure I can get it out easily at the end. We want to start with our pineapples and cherries. So we're just going to place the pineapples across the base of the tin. Just pack them in as tight as you can. And then you want to get your cherries and place them inside the center of each pineapple ring like this. So it creates a nice little pattern on the bottom. Once you've done that, we want to add our cake batter. So just pour that straight over the top and just let it fill up the cake tin. Once all of it's in, just smooth off the top a little bit and this is basically done. It's ready for the oven. So I'm going to bake this for about an hour to an hour and 15 on 150-160 degrees. And here we are. This has just come out of the oven. So what I'm going to do is turn it over first and then remove the sides. Now we can peel back this paper and have a look underneath. Lovely. That's really nice. This is ready to serve, so I'm just going to take a slice and have a look. Absolutely delicious. This reminds me of when I was younger. So here we go guys, that's my recipe for pineapple upside down cake. Really easy recipe that you could try at home. I hope you like this one and I hope you tried this one. If there are any other recipes you'd like me to make, please let me know in the comments. Until the next time, peace and love.